What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in again for another video. I don't know how I'm gonna put this video because really it's very simple. Basically, I ordered the black M3 badge and it came in matte black, and I kind of wanted gloss because everything in the car is gloss. Like the window trims are gloss, it has the gloss carbon fiber roof, the gloss grills, gloss carbon fiber trunk lip. So I don't want to put anything that's matte on the car. So what I'm gonna do is I have some gloss clear, and I'm just gonna give it some coats. Maybe it will stick and make it look good. I don't know. We'll try it. Let me show you how this this badge looks. All right, so the quality is really good. It might have been just my mistake. I thought it was gloss. Doesn't look bad. I mean, doesn't look bad. They included this little cutout. I'm guessing that's to put it in the right spot. Or no, that's just the tape that goes in the back to make it stick, I guess. We'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna throw some gloss on this and see how it comes out. Little doggy. But I'm gonna put that there. I'm not gonna do too many coats just because I don't want it to drip or get stuck or anything like that. But this one I'm gonna be using some automotive enamel gloss. All right, so hopefully you guys can see me. I'm just gonna spray it down and see what happens. Don't mind that guy. Should be pretty good. So this might be a dumb idea. I have no idea how it's gonna come out, but we'll see. It was 20 bucks. Oh man, I might have this up.
Watch your profanity.
That actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna do any more quotes.
2,000 years later.
See what happens.
I only did one coat. I think I'm gonna leave it like that because I really don't want to ruin it. Should I do another coat?
So this is how it looks after it's fully dried. It has a little bit of specks on there, but overall, pretty good.
The next day.
I'm gonna basically take this off. I should have brought a fishing line, but I forgot. So I'm gonna try to heat it up and see if I can just wiggle it out. But I do have to put some painter's tape and then take it off, and then we'll put the new one in there. So I'm gonna put some painter's tape on there just so I know the positioning of the new one or the old one, so I can put the new one in the same exact spot. That's pretty much good to go. That's actually easier than I thought it was gonna be. But now, again, I'm gonna take out the heat gun and I'm gonna heat it up, and then I'm gonna try to wiggle it out. Again, I don't have any fishing line, so a closer look of how that looks. It's right on the edge of every part of the emblem. All right, so I got the heat gun out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on the lowest setting so I don't mess up the paint. Also, when you're doing this, make sure that you're moving it around because you can't burn the paint, and that's the last thing they want to do here. I'm gonna focus on the M for right now, and then I'll move on to the 3. Yeah, it's already moving. There you go. Got that out. Most of the adhesive is still on there, but as you can see, the M is already out, so that's great. All right, so I took most of the adhesive off. Now I'm gonna have to go in with some glue gun or something and get the rest of it. But I'm gonna now tackle the 3. Ooh, that's hot. But got the 3 out. So now I'm gonna roll it and try to see if I can get some of that adhesive off with my fingers, and then I'll come back with a glue gun and take everything off. So I'll be back when that's done. All right, so here it is, finished product after the glue gun. I think it came out pretty good. It's a little bit right there, but I'll take that off now. I have the badges here, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start putting them on. Heat up the spot a little bit, just for it to go on pretty nicely. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. All right, so that's how it looks. I think it came out pretty good, pretty on point, pretty straight. Guys, the difference on this, just that little touch, oh my god, it looks so much better. Look at that. Makes it stand out more, makes it look complete. I love how it's gloss. I think it was a great... Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please smash the like button. Subscribe, please, if you like this content. Leave some feedback behind. I would really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.